Hello beautiful people, my name is Yanee and yes, I am back for another video. So for today's vlog, we will be unboxing, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. I also want to thank you for the support. We just passed the 500 subscribers mark. Thank you very much. And since our family is getting bigger, I decided to upgrade my vlogging gears so that I can give you a better experience when you watch my videos. So for today, join me as I unbox my new vlogging equipments. Let's go! So yun, matagal na akong tumitingin ng mga vlogging gears online, but since budget meal pa lang ang kaya natin for now, nag-aabang talaga ako ng sale. And last August 8, nagkaroon ng sale ang Lazada, yung 8/8 bounce back sale. So I checked the prices sa mga vlogging gears na gusto ko and nag-drop talaga yung price. So yun, binili ko na. Nagpabudol po tayo. So yun, binili ko na and I was expecting it to arrive the following week but hindi siya dumating. So yun, before we open this, I want to share my experience because this might also happen to you. So yun na nga, I ordered this last August 8 and yun, hindi siya dumating and medyo natatagalan ako. So I checked the tracking page and I saw a red icon like a warning sign. I don't know what it's called. Hindi ko alam ano ang tawag, so ipapakita ko na lang dito. So yan, may red icon and I don't know what that means. So I asked my friend GB Hamham, bilang nag-order din siya sa Lazada, kung alam ba niya kung ano ang ibig sabihin nun, but he told me hindi niya alam. So I had to contact the support team of Ninja Van to ask the status of my parcel, but they didn't respond immediately sa email ko. So I also sent a message sa seller to ask for help, baka makatulong sila sa pag-track. But yeah, they replied naman immediately, but unfortunately they told me na wala na silang access sa logistics services ng Lazada once the products are picked up. So yun, they told me na they sent me a link na pwede daw dun ko na lang i-contact ang Lazada regarding my concern. But yeah, after a while nag-reply na yung Ninja Van sa email ko and they told me na the parcel was put on hold daw dahil wala nang recorded movement since August 14. So yun, they had to investigate daw what happened and it will take 3 to 5 days. And last Saturday, August 22, nag-update na sila and dumating na daw sa Bohol. So yun, today is August 24, Monday. So yun, dumating na siya. So it took ilan ba? 16 days since I ordered. So yun, let's open this. I ordered this from One Gadget and yeah, let me show you what I got. So this is the first item. It's the Ulanzi MT08 Mini Extension Pole Tripod. So let's open this. Ooh, so nice. There. Medyo mabigat siya, so alam mo na maganda yung quality. And may rubber grip din dito. So hindi siya all plastic. And the ball head is also metal. So yeah, maganda yung quality niya. There. Yan. Maliit lang siya but you can extend this. Paano ba to? There. Yan. Cute. And you can adjust this. Ganyan. Pwede din dito. So nice. Originally, this is $999, but I only got this for $449. Yeah, $449. It's nice. Yun. This is the first item. Next is this. It's a phone holder. So this is the Ulanzi ST07 phone clip with cold shoe mount. So let's open this. There. So yun. Ito siya. So you can put your phone here, and it has a cold shoe mount for your microphone or your light. There. So let's put it here. Ganyan. There. So this phone clip originally is I think $299, but I only got this for $179. There. Sale is real. And the last item is the microphone. So there, may microphone na tayo. This is the Boya BY-MM1. So I heard this is so good. Most vloggers use this. And originally, this is $2,999. But with the sale, I only got this for $788. There, so let's open this. So excited. So this is the mount, the cables. So yeah, this is for the phone and for the camera. It has a pouch and the microphone. There. So this is the microphone. There. Medyo mabigat din siya, so yeah, it's good quality. So this is the mic and the wind muff. So there. There, so let's assemble this. Let's put this shock mount. Paano ba to? Wait. So yeah, I think dito siya. There. So yan. Yun. Dito ba? And then we can put it here and tighten it. So there. So since I'm using a phone for vlogging, let's use this cable for smartphone. So yun, may nakalagay dito microphone. So ito yung sa microphone dito. That. and ito naman for the smartphone. So I will show you the complete setup. Wait. So this is my new vlogging setup. There. And since I have an iPhone 8 with no 3.5mm jack, I use this Lightning to 3.5mm jack cable para makonect yung Boya mic. Kasama na to sa box when I had my phone, and I believe the new iPhones don't have this. So you have to buy this one para makonect yung Boya mic. So yeah, this is my setup. O, diba? Vlogger! It's time to test the microphone. Here is Yuki to help me out. And naka-on din yung aircon since kanina, so I believe naririnig nyo yon. And yeah, you are hearing the audio without the Boya microphone. And let's connect the mic. There, so what you are hearing now is the audio with the Boya microphone. Now, to simulate the outside wind, may electric fan ako dito, and let's test the microphone without the wind muff kung ano yung maririnig natin. So this is the microphone without the wind muff, and let's turn this on. So this is the audio na naka-on pa rin yung electric fan, and there is the wind muff on the microphone, and I am talking. Hopefully naririnig niyo ako. So there, this is the Boya BY-MM1. That's all for this vlog. Hopefully you learned something and may idea na rin kayo kung ano yung bibilhin nyo to upgrade your vlogging gears. And yun, nabili ko to lahat sa One Gadget. So check them out. And I believe may sale ulit sa Lazada this coming September 9. So I will put all the links in the description box para ma-check nyo. And please share this video to your vlogger friends. And hopefully you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give this a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time I post a new video. Again, this is Yanee. See you next time. Bye!